I'm going to show you how you can pay for Facebook ads in Nigeria using bank transfer method. So you first want to do is make sure that you go to Play Store and install the Meta app manager. Alright, this is the first one to do, which is this app right here. Once you install this app, you will be able to log in with your Facebook account. Alright. So once you log in, just click on this settings icon here. Click on billing and payment on the particular ad account you want to fund. Right. So just click on add fund. Then you can enter the amount you want to fund with here. Let's say you want to fund 50,000 naira. You can type it here. Select pay by bank transfer, right? Always select pay by bank transfer. Or if you're in a country where you normally pay with credit card, you can use your credit card or debit card, or you can also use USSD. But if you're in Nigerian, always go with pay by bank transfer, right? Once you do that, click on next. Then you can click on skip. Good. Now an account number has been generated for you automatically. All right. This is the account number, this is the account name, and this is the bank name. All right. So you need to go to your bank app, search for Pistach Titan as the bank name. Then you copy the account number, you paste the account number here. Then that's how then you transfer the exact amount you want to fund, which is this amount here, right? I advise you use a microfinance bank so that the money is not going to hang. Right. And once you fund, you see that the money is going to reflect in this. Please be showing account spending limit now. The money is going to it's going to reflect on this place, right? So that's exactly how you can fund your ad account with Nigerian Naira or pay by a bank transfer, right? I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure you follow me for more videos like this, right? And share it to who need to see this too, right? Cheers.